Dear students, let's solve this question. Under root 11 minus x minus under root 6 minus x is equal to under root 27 minus x. Here we have to first remove these square roots. So by taking square on both sides, we will take square of this whole expression here is equal to under root 27 minus x whole square. So by expanding this, by using the formula a minus b whole square, so square of first value plus square of second value minus 2 into first value into second value, that will be equal to, we can cancel this with the square, so it will be 27 minus x. And similarly we can cancel these squares with the square roots, so after simplification we can write it like this. Okay, now by simplifying this, minus x, this will become minus 2x. 11 plus 6, this will give us 17. So minus 2 under root, by multiplying these two values with each other, so we can write it here. This will be equal to 27 minus x. So by taking these values on the other side here, this will be here minus 2 under root 66 minus 17x plus x square, and this value has come here, this is 17, so it will become minus 17 and plus 27 minus x. By simplifying this will be x plus 10, and this will be minus 2 and the value here. Squaring again in order to remove this square root, so minus 2 under root 66 minus 17x plus x square whole square, this will be equal to x plus 10 whole square. And by cancelling this square with the square root, this square is the square of this as well as the square of this value, so it will give us 4 into this value. This will be cancelled with this, and x square plus 100 plus 20x, we will use the formula a plus b whole square here, and we will expand this expression, so it will become this x square plus 100 plus 20x. Again by multiplying this value here, we can write it like this, and x square plus 20x plus 100. Okay, so this value can be taken on this side, so first we will write this 4x square minus x square minus 68x minus 20x, this will come on this side and will become minus 20x, so plus 264 minus 100 and equals to 0. Okay, 3x square minus 88x plus 164, we have simplified this, so by making its factors minus 6 and minus 82, we can write this 3x square minus 6x minus 82x plus 164 is equal to 0. So we take common 3x, so it will give us x minus 2, minus 82 is common here, so it will give us x minus 2, because minus is common here, so it will be changed into minus sign, so this is equal to 0. In order to solve this, here x minus 2 is common into 3x minus 82 is equal to 0, so this will be equal to 0 either, or this will be equal to 0. So this will give us x is equal to 2, and this will give us 3x is equal to 82 and x is equal to 82 by 3. So here is the solution set for x 2 comma 82 by 3. So this is our answer. Okay, once again I can repeat this whole question. Like here, this was the question, and we have just taken a square on both sides, and after simplification we reached here, and we take again square on both sides in order to simplify this, to remove this from here. So here you can see that there is no square root, so after simplification this whole, we got the solution set here. this is our solution set.